Good evening. This is Sarah from the National Weather Service in Milwaukee, bringing you an update on the massive, slow-moving storm that's going to bring winter weather to southern Wisconsin this weekend. The storm is bringing blizzard conditions to the plains and parts of the upper Midwest, heavy snow to the upper Great Lakes, severe thunderstorms to the middle portion of the country, and heavy rain from the lower Great Lakes down to the Gulf Coast. This storm will bring all kinds of weather to southern Wisconsin this weekend. A few thunderstorms are possible this evening, and the unusually cold weather will continue through the weekend. This has been one of the coldest starts to April on record. Madison ranks second coldest, and Milwaukee ranks eighth coldest, and these records go back to the late 1800s. Highs look to be only in the lower 30s through this weekend. Rain tonight into Saturday will change to mixed precipitation on Saturday. This means accumulating freezing rain, sleet, and snow is likely, especially towards central Wisconsin. It will also be very windy on Saturday. Here are forecasted precipitation amounts. This includes rain and the water equivalent of snowfall. Amounts look to be around 2 inches for far southern Wisconsin to 2¼ to 2½ inches for eastern Wisconsin. Some of this liquid will be snow, especially north of Madison and Milwaukee. It will be mainly rain across the far southeast. The good news about some of this being snow is that it will mitigate rivers rising, and a few rivers may rise to flood stage, but major river flooding is not expected. Here are forecast snowfall amounts with this storm. Far southeast Wisconsin will receive up to 1 inch. This includes Milwaukee, Racine, Kenosha, and Elkhorn. Other parts of southern Wisconsin may get about 1 to 3 inches. This includes Port Washington, Waukesha, Madison, Monroe, and Darlington. And then areas further north toward central Wisconsin could see 4 to 6 inches. This includes Wisconsin Dells, Montello, Fond du Lac, and Sheboygan areas. Now, all this snow is not going to be coming at one time or on the ground all at one time. This is because the snowfall will be mixed with rain and freezing rain and sleet at times, and some melting will occur during the day. The snow will be starting Saturday evening and going through early Monday morning. Here are our forecast ice accumulations. So freezing rain is possible Saturday and Saturday night, especially more toward central Wisconsin. Elevated surfaces could see accumulations, but we are not expecting too many travel impacts because the ground temperatures, the pavement and sidewalk temperatures are above freezing and the ground is no longer frozen. So this will mitigate the freezing rain accumulating on road surfaces. Now, these freezing rain amounts may be a little bit on the high side. We're seeing some indications that some of this ice may actually be more sleet and mixed with sleet at times. And that's something we'll be keeping a close eye on over the next tonight into tomorrow, that these ice accumulations may actually be up a little bit less than what is shown here. But we're expecting about maybe 1/10 of an inch of ice across far southern Wisconsin to 1/4 inch or more toward central Wisconsin. Here are approximate timing for the winter weather transitions. Precipitation will start as rain on Saturday and then change over to freezing rain and sleet from north to south during the day. So during the day on Friday, areas around the Dells, Montello, Fond du Lac, and Sheboygan will start to transition to freezing rain and sleet, whereas areas farther to the south will be mainly rain on Saturday. On Saturday night, we'll see more of a transition to snow and other types of wintry precip across far southern Wisconsin. Far southern Wisconsin may see more of a freezing rain and sleet mix in with the snow, with areas farther to the north from Madison and Milwaukee northward seeing mainly snow Saturday night. On Sunday, snow will likely be continuing for areas north and west of Madison, with more of a rain-snow mix or possibly all rain across far southeast Wisconsin, where temperatures may get above freezing. Now, these transitions are approximate because it depends just exactly what the temperature will be at your location, which will determine what the precipitation type will be. Sunday night, things will likely transition to all snow, and light snow is expected Sunday night, ending early Monday morning. It will also be very windy on Saturday. We're looking at northeast winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to 45 to 50 miles per hour. Winds will still be elevated on Sunday with gusts to around 30 miles per hour. These strong northeast winds will lead to building waves on Lake Michigan. We're thinking waves could be around 11 to 14 feet along the western coast of Lake Michigan. This could bring coastal flooding and erosion along the western shores of the lakes. So please stay away from piers and the beach areas with these dangerously high waves. So that is your update as of 7 p.m. Friday evening. Please follow us online and social media for the latest on this winter storm.